Most people get this wrong. They assume Monixo is just another quick payday advance app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Monixo offers more than just instant cash. It combines early wage access, installment payments, and spending management features to help you take control of your finances. Here's how it works. First, Monixo allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is useful for emergencies, bills, or unplanned expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into manageable installments over several weeks, with flat, predictable fees instead of traditional interest, making budgeting easier. Monixo also includes notifications, dashboards, and reminders to help you track payments and spending. These tools help prevent late fees and encourage responsible financial habits. The downside, overusing Monixo can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed installments can quickly add up, and relying too heavily on Monixo might mask deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can pay back on time. 2. Use reminders to stay on top of upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance. Who benefits most? People with steady income who need occasional cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits might find Monixo more costly than helpful. In conclusion, Monixo in 2026 is a convenient and practical tool, but only when used responsibly. Track your fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and money management tips.